Hello, I'm going to go over this project with you, this activity that you're doing, and it has to do with how coastal beaches change, how they either grow and get bigger or how they erode and get smaller. Now, it has some instructions down here at the bottom, but you'll see it talks about groups. You know, you're not going to work in groups or anything. The important thing is that you are going to identify areas of dunes with either a star, so that's where they grow, you'll just put stars there, or dune erosion and put a circle around those areas. All right, so stars are going to show growth and circles will show erosion. I'm going to refer you to the PowerPoint that you'll find online. The PowerPoint's going to give you some extra information. So there's going to be 4 scenarios that you're going to examine. You're going to examine a before and an after, and you're comparing the dunes in each to see what happened. And there's a couple questions down here at the bottom. Now, this first one, you can actually find this scenario talked about in the PowerPoint. So you can go and find it if you want, but you're looking at where the dune heel is. You're seeing if that moved at all. You're looking at where the dune crest is and seeing if that moved at all. And you can always check it against, in this case, the building to see if it's gone up or down. And then you have a dune toe, and you're going to see if that's any different between these two. Based on your comparison, you'll be able to say whether it has grown or whether it's gotten smaller. But the PowerPoint also talks about this scenario, so take a look at that. The next scenario is not in the PowerPoint, but you've got you've got a before and after. See what is different here between these two and explain why or how the dunes changed because of it. So it's going to be real important to see what those structural changes are that happened to the beach and how they might have affected things. Part C, this scenario is in the PowerPoint. You can look there for some help. But again, comparing the dunes, it doesn't look like there's anything different other than the dunes changed. So see what it is that maybe could have affected that. And then the final part, we do see, not in the PowerPoint, but we do see another change here. And you're gonna see if the dunes grew or did not and explain why they did or did not. So again, 2 scenarios are in the PowerPoint, the other 2 that have added structures, you're gonna have to kind of figure out and tell me what you think happened. I hope this helps.